Okay, we have the poles done, and the poles, and then all the bars, and then the platforms. Next we're going to do the climbing wall, which is, you can't really see it on this photo, but it's this thing right here. It's this kind of gray wall, so we're going to make that. It also has wall handles on it, so I am going to create a new part and save this. This is going to be under wall climb. So the first thing, so we'll just call that wall climb. The other one's called wall handle. So let's get rid of these platforms here. So wall climb, save. And start on the XY, and the way I like to do this one, this basic shape is just kind of, it's like a rectangle with this chunk taken out of it, so I'm just going to do that. I'm going to create a rectangle and another rectangle. Not really measuring at all, just trim that away. That's the basic shape. And then I'm just going to dimension it out. So it is 123 inches tall and 72 inches wide. So dimension 123 and front 72. And then, I know that looks weird, but that's okay. This middle trough part is 36 inches, so do that is 36. And then so it's 18 on the tops. And then this is a depth of 27, so 18 and 27. So that's all correct. I can get rid of those if need be, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete them because they're just a little bit annoying. It's not going to affect anything, but it's annoying. Finish, home, extrude to 3.0, and let's find something for this. I don't know what's orange, so I'm going to hit save. And then there are these holes that I'm supposed to put on here. So it looks like it says wall handle inserts located randomly on wall. Inserts must measure 1.75 inches in diameter and go into the wall a quarter of an inch, so 0.25. They don't go all the way through. Eventually we take the handles, and they look like little pegs, and they get inserted into each one of these holes. So if you can imagine, it's a climbing wall, so if a kid's playing on the playground, they're going to be able to climb up the wall using these handles. So wherever I put a hole, I have to put a handle. So I'm going to start a new sketch on here, and wherever I put a point, it's going to create a hole. So I'll just kind of place these randomly so that somebody who is playing on this could climb up. That is fine right there. I am going to hit finish and click hole. It does not go through all, so I choose distance. The distance should be 0.25 and the diameter is 1.75. Click green check mark, and I have like these little holes in there. Alright, Save. Next, I need to create the handles, so I'm going to create a new part, and file, save as, Charlie wall. Well, it's wall handle, it's just one thing, so save. And I'm looking at it, so what I'm going to do, they're just cylinders, so I'm going to create the large one first, which is 3 inches in diameter. It's extruded an inch. So starting with circle, 3 inches in diameter. And I believe I said it is extruded an inch, so I will do that. That's the default. I hit enter, then start a sketch on here. I know that I created those holes on the wall, and the diameter of those holes was 1.75, so I know that that's what this must be in order for it to fit. And then I think it's just extruded 1 inch. Yep. So start 1 inch, and cool. I'm gonna make this a contrasting color to orange, so that way I can see it when it's on the wall. So I'm just gonna use paint this time, and it can be, don't want to use red. Dark blue is fine. That'll work out fine. I'm going to hit save. Okay, so we're done with the wall handles.